When you have railroad data, it's often not only important to maintain your GIS data in geographic space, but it's also important to be able to display your data in schematic diagram. Many railroad organizations maintain their geographic data in a GIS separate from the tools and database that they use for their schematic maps and track charts, with different editing processes and tempos. It's very easy to get them out of date and out of sync. We have a few demonstrations for you that exercise some functional capabilities of ArcGIS with use for railroads, whether it be for live tracking, tracing, charting, or linear referencing. Here in this demo, we'll start at the bottom and build upwards, not just to maintain static data of railroad assets, but to align the workflow so that the schematic map becomes a derivative product of the geographic map data. That way they always remain in sync. Another reason for mapping rail data schematically is for creating an interactive synchronized view like this one. With this custom web app, it's possible to not only keep the navigation of the two maps in sync, but also to add and update point and line events on both views using a linear referencing system of measured values, in this case mileposts, so that those events remain in sync as well. When you're mapping railroad data, it's often not enough to just work with it in geographic space. For example, let's take this area of the railroad here. If you apply network attributes to the rail data, for example, made a little bit clearer here with this color scheme. There are trace network and railroad schematic generation tools in ArcGIS Pro that can help keep your schematic maps updated as derivative products of your geographic maps in a way that you can update them monthly, nightly, hourly, or even on demand. Please let us know if you'd like to see this working in more detail or with your rail data. Thank you.